So how do you close all of these Safari tabs at once on your iPad? Let me show you how you can achieve that, but if you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So we get inside the Safari, right, and we can go into the multitasking panel, and for all of the apps and the windows and all of that. And in order to close all of them, we just need to hold it down on the blue button in the top right corner. So obviously, we can click on the little X icon for all of the individual tabs and close them individually, but if you hold it down on the thing on the button in the top right, we have the option to close all tabs at once. You have to confirm it, and now all of them are going to be gone, leaving you only with this main page, right? So you can even do it multiple times over. Again, if we have the 3 tabs, you can hold it down on the blue thing and click on and close all of these tabs. It's going to ask you again if you're sure about it, but you just confirm it, and now it's going to come back to the main original tab. So that's how it works. It's really simple. There isn't really much else to it, so I'm not going to make the video any longer than it needs to be. And if you like this type of tutorials where we don't waste time, then make sure you subscribe so you don't miss future ones, and I'll see you in the next video as well.